When I was 25, I had an incredible adventure in Hawaii, and I only spent $61.20 on that flight with Delta, saving myself over $500. And I did this using frequent flyer miles that I earned without flying. And after doing that once, I just kept going. I went to Ireland, Rocky Mountain National Park, Chicago, many other places, incredible adventures, and I've saved thousands of dollars in the process. How do I do this? Credit card sign-on bonuses. I know where I want to fly, who flies there, how many frequent flyer miles I need, what credit card I need to get those frequent flyer miles. I make a plan, I stick to it, and I've done it over and over. It's a proven process, and I want to teach you the same things that I've done so you too can have amazing experiences. Don't you want to go on an amazing adventure overseas? Maybe have an incredible honeymoon? Or go visit family that lives far away? All of this is possible, and it's probably cheaper than you ever thought imaginable. So I've created this step-by-step video course to teach you everything I know and help get you off the ground and in the air. So click the link, go check out the course, and make sure to download the free guide that shows you exactly what I did to get myself to Hawaii.